Ever wondered if budget clipless pedals can actually perform like the big brands? Today we're taking a look at the West BIKING road bike self-locking pedals, a lightweight nylon set with 3 sealed bearings that are fully compatible with the LOOK KEO system. They promise smooth performance, solid power transfer, and great value. But are they really worth it? Right out of the box, the build quality feels impressive for the price. The pedals use a lightweight, nylon composite body that keeps things durable without adding extra weight. You can feel the solid construction when you spin them. Those 3 sealed bearings give a smooth, silent rotation and should help protect against dirt and water when you're riding in bad weather. The platform is nice and wide, giving plenty of surface area for your shoes. And the design clearly takes inspiration from Look's proven KEO shape. Installation is super simple. The pedals use a standard 9/16-inch thread, so they'll fit any modern crankset. You even get a pair of compatible cleats in the box, which is a nice touch. Clipping in feels familiar if you've ever used Look pedals before. The engagement is firm and secure, but not too stiff. You can also adjust the spring tension to make clipping in and out easier or tighter, depending on your preference. That's perfect for new riders who are still getting used to clipless pedals. Out on the road, these pedals perform much better than you'd expect from a budget set. The power transfer feels solid, and the wide platform gives a stable base whether you're climbing, sprinting, or just cruising along. The bearings spin quietly and smoothly, and after several rides, there's no sign of play or looseness, even after riding in the rain. The bearings stayed smooth and there was no rust on the spindles. Now let's talk about pros and cons. On the plus side, they're lightweight, durable, and very affordable. The sealed bearings are smooth. The Look KEO-compatibility means you can easily find replacement cleats, and the adjustable tension is a great feature at this price point. On the downside, nylon isn't quite as stiff as aluminum or carbon, so if you're chasing maximum power transfer, you might notice a small difference. The included cleats also wear a little faster than official Look ones, and the pedals themselves are slightly bulkier than more expensive models. Overall, though, the West BIKING self-locking pedals deliver far more than you'd expect for their price. They're smooth, reliable, and perfect for anyone upgrading from flat pedals or trying clipless for the first time without spending a fortune. If you're after a set of clipless pedals that get the job done and don't empty your wallet, these are absolutely worth checking out. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment to share your thoughts. What pedals are you using? And would you give these a try? Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.